Yo, Jay Blaine here. What if I told you that the pocket-sized multi-tool for hackers and geeks is also becoming a wild new frontier for gaming? It's time to forget what you think you know about the Flipper Zero because indie developers are creating wild, experimental games that will completely change how you see this device. I'm talking about running the original Doom on a device that fits in your palm. I'm talking about 3D open world multiplayer games and classic arcade clones, all playable on the Flipper's tiny monochrome screen. Today, we're counting down 5 insane Flipper games you can play right now that are guaranteed to blow your mind. Kicking off our list is a game that needs no introduction, but running on hardware that will make you do a double take, Doom. This project is a raycasting engine that uses Doom's original sprites to recreate the experience. It's really a testament to the tradition of getting Doom to run on every piece of hardware imaginable. And playing it on the Flipper with its D-pad controls is a crazy must-try novelty. Next up, if you love classic arcade action, you have to check out Yappy Invaders. This is a clone of the timeless shoot 'em up Space Invaders, designed specifically for the Flipper Zero. You control a yapper at the bottom of the screen, moving left and right with the Flipper's buttons, and firing at descending waves of yaps. It's a simple, intuitive, and addictive throwback that perfectly captures the spirit of old school arcade gaming on modern piece of hardware. So what happens when you take a pocket multi-tool and try to build an online RPG for it? You get Flip World. This game is an ambitious open world multiplayer game for the Flipper Zero. In this game, your character has stats like health, strength, and experience points that you level up by defeating enemies. The combat is straightforward. You attack enemies to gain XP and bits of health, and if they defeat you, you lose some health and XP. It's a surprisingly deep experience for such a small device, proving that you don't need a massive console for an RPG adventure. It's pretty clear these games are redefining what a Flipper game can even be. If you're digging this look at the wild side of the Flipper Zero, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment below. What's the craziest game you want to see ported to the Flipper? Alright, let's get to our next pick. Ever wanted to explore a 3D world on a screen smaller than a credit card? Free Roam makes it happen as a 3D open world game for the Flipper Zero. Using the Flipper's directional pad, you can turn your camera and move forward and backwards, navigating a dynamically generated 3D environment with trees and other characters as sprites. While still in development, it even has plans for PvE multiplayer. It is an amazing technical showcase of what's possible on the Flipper, offering a glimpse into immersive 3D gaming on the tiniest of scales. And finally, we have the game that brings the Flipper theme full circle, Pinball Zero. This is a classic pinball game built for the Flipper Zero, complete with realistic physics, bumpers, and high score chase. You use the left and right buttons for the flippers and can even bump the table with the up button if your ball gets stuck. It even has sounds, lights, and vibrations to mimic the experience. Best of all, the tables are defined by simple files, meaning the community can create and share their own custom pinball tables. Well, from a legendary FPS port like Doom to the ambitious RPG world of Flip World and the impressive 3D exploration of Free Roam, it's obvious that the Flipper Zero is so much more than a pen testing tool. These games show that with a bit of creativity, this tiny Cyberdolphin device can become a legitimate and exciting handheld gaming platform. If I had to suggest just one to try first, I'd go with Pinball Zero for perfectly blending the old school theme with the new school hardware. But you really can't go wrong with any game on this list. I'm Jay Blanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.